In this video I will be taking a look at the Monoprice Mini SLA, and I will look at the bottom here to see if there's ways of taking it apart. Now, first thing that I noticed is that there's a bunch of screws here and they're pretty easy to get to. There's 4 here and there's a bunch more over here and they're all exposed. However, there's 4 more that are really hard to get to, and you need something like this to be able to reach in there. And unfortunately this particular screwdriver is not long enough to actually go all the way in and reach, so I'm gonna have to look for something else that will allow me to do that. So it's obvious the company doesn't really want you to open this up yourself, and that's how they make it hard. There's also a screw here that people might not even notice. It needs to be removed, and this one you will be able to reach. And I think there may be another one on this side that you may not have noticed. And so that's where all the screws are. I hope this video is useful for you guys. Of course, I will need a new one or a different one for me to be able to reach those hard to get ones. But hopefully you have the right tools. Hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.